Are you looking for the best audio interfaces for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best audio interfaces for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Focusrite Scarlett Solo. A singer-songwriter will have all they need to make the best of their craft if they have this Focusrite Scarlett Solo plugged into their computer. Excellent results in your music are still guaranteed if you use your iPad Pro with this device as well. While the audio resolution and sample rate are already impressive, you get air circuits for use with the mic preamps. This is the reason you get more open sound with the device. The high-quality 3rd generation Scarlett mic preamp is nothing to scoff at either. Another pro is the super low latency. If you can hear everything in real time, you will know where you are making mistakes. You will also know where you are doing a bang-up job. Healthy signal levels as well seem essential for recording. You may thus appreciate the halo indicators that tell you when it is time to cut back on the gain. Of course, you will use the tool better if you have the right DAW to work with it. Luckily, buyers get a DAW software bundle with the purchase as well. This includes Ableton Live Lite, which needs no introduction, Pro Tools First Focusrite Creative Pack, and 5 other different software. Number 2, PreSonus Studio 24C. The PreSonus Studio 24C comes with top-notch audio resolution that may need a little more computing power than other options. However, with enough computing power, you will appreciate what you can achieve with this tool. To make full use of the audio resolution, professional-grade XMAXL mic preamps are part of the setup. Also, the line inputs for your line-level devices ensure positive results as you can record your guitar, bass, and other musical devices. Of course, you may want to monitor what you are recording as well, and the mixer knob has been provided to allow you to do that. Also, with the input metering identifying potential problems, recording will be easy. Lastly, you can expect Studio One artist DAW software in this PreSonus model as well. Why is it special? With this tool being bus-powered, you needn't worry about connecting it to a power source. Being connected to a computer is enough. Also, for optimum audio quality, you have professional-grade XMAXL mic preamps supporting your inputs. Furthermore, the full use of the inputs is possible since you have 24-bit/192 kHz audio resolution. Free DAW software is always welcome. Number 3, M-Audio Air 1926. If you combine the ultra-pristine A/D converters and the 2 low-noise crystal preamps, you get superior audio recording quality. You also have the USB-C to thank for the minimal latency that affords you the ability to monitor your session in real time. This is in addition to the monitor mix control. MIDI gear compatibility is also catered for in this purchase. If you have a MIDI controller or plan to buy one in the future, rest assured you can use it with this tool as well. Ableton Live Lite and First M-Audio Edition are the 2 DAWs you are guaranteed to get for free with this purchase. You even have effects plugins included. Further, the technology used will likely guarantee you excellent sound quality to cater to the sound resolution you have with this purchase. Number 4, Best iOS Compatible Interface. As for the high levels of performance you get with the EVO, the inbuilt ADDA converter is partly to blame. For guitar users, the JFET-D.I input makes the EVO a plug-and-play option. Also, with zero latency and monitor control functionality, you can check out different input components to ensure mic pre and D.I input is just right. You can even monitor a blend of DAW playback and the various inputs. Furthermore, the Audient EVO sets itself apart by having dual headphone output. With this, you can get a second pair of ears to tell you what you are getting right or wrong. Additionally, if you have an iOS 10 device, you don't need a computer to use this beginner audio interface for recording. You can as well use the scroll wheel for a variety of purposes, including controlling DAW hosts, plugin parameters, and more. Why are we impressed? The versatile scroll wheel may be highly appreciated in some circles. Also, compatibility with iOS devices is a warm welcome. You even get dual headphone jack, box. Number 5. Audient EVO 4, as for the input port. They are similar to a few other beginner audio interface options mentioned above. With the accuracy of the two transparent Audient EVO preamps, you shouldn't be worried about losing sound quality. Also, a 58 decibels gain range works to your advantage as well. Your guitar and bass are also catered to by the inclusion of a JFET instrument input. Users may also be appreciative of the loopback functionality that can help record computer audio, gaming audio, and video calls. Furthermore, like the competing products mentioned above, you can get professional music recording software in addition to the EVO Control app that is specific to the device. Why is it special? The Audient EVO 4 is probably one of the easiest audio interfaces to use with its simple button layout. The dedicated EVO Control app may help a great deal, as well. Also, you still get multiple music software for use with the device. Additionally, the audio loopback gives you more choices on how you can use the interface. What are the flaws? The makeup of the interface could be more durable. Also, the EVO 4 may lose connectivity when the PC goes into hibernation. In some instances, a full reboot is the only solution.